how to create apps that make you money every single day. AppyGEN course, app course training. And this is the next video in the training series. I'm Christopher Wilson, self-proclaimed mobile app mogul. And this is part of a playlist. And what you can do if you want to be notified of the next video coming up, hit that bell notification and subscribe to my channel and send me some feedback and comment on how you like the training thus far. Now, we left off right at this point right here, and we're going to download our icon in our folder, and we're going to go ahead and continue from there. And let me show you real quick what you're going to learn in this training. What we're going to try to accomplish is, what we will accomplish, how to add your icon into your app, edit your app settings, the color, versions, icons, etc. Add your privacy policy. We're going to do a test build. We're going to install that test build on our phone, and we're going to take screenshots of our app and transfer those screenshots to our computer. Okay? And let's go ahead and get started. Now, what you want to do is, this is going to say icon IC_launcher or something like that, but we're going to go ahead and name it. We're going to name it from our app, or we're going to name it after our app, Icon Neon Wolf Keyboard. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and save that, or not save it, but download it. And we're going to look over here in the folder, the download button right there. It's going to be in a zip file. And we're going to put it in our icon folder, right? Okay. What's this? Oh, okay. So we're going to put it right there. And go ahead and save it. Okay. And let's go ahead and take a look at it, and it's right there in the zip file. We're going to extract the zip file. Extract all. Now with Apple computers, I'm not sure what that setting is, but anyway, you're going to extract the folder, and there it is right there. And these are our icons. These are different sizes. I think this is 192 by 192. This is 96 by 96, and so on. Something like that. Yeah. Okay. So this is 192 by 192. This is one we're going to be using for our app. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and close this up for now. And let's go to AppyGEN. And we're in our settings. Okay, we're on our app settings page. So, let me take that off for now. I'm not sure what that is. But anyway, to add our icon, we're going to go right over here where it says App Icon. Okay, and you see right now it has the AG there. That's the default. So we're going to add our icon, which should be the 192 by 192. Okay, so we're going to go to icons, and here's our folder right here. And actually, you can delete this zip folder if you want. Okay, you don't need any more. But let's go to icons, and the 192 by 192 is going to be right here, I believe. Okay, yep, okay. So let's go ahead and click that, and you can see it loaded right there, icon 192 by 192. Okay, so our file is chosen. So we can go ahead and update that. Let's just update it. And oh, actually I could have waited. Let me go back. Okay, because you still got some more work to do. Okay, you don't have to update it right now. But we got it chosen, it's right there, because we did update it. Now, going back to our colors, remember we had issues with the colors last time. I think I had it blue or something, and I didn't like that color. So this primary color is going to be the color, I believe it's going to be at the top. Yeah, at the top, the very top bar. Then the dark primary color, that's going to be the color of the app, actually. So let's go with that. I can go with red, I guess. It's going to be black writing, it should be. Or, you know what, I can just make it black. Well, I'll tell you what, let's go to red. Let's see what that looks like. Okay. And this is part of the testing process, you know, as far as getting out the colors that you want it to look like. Okay. Primary text color, we'll leave that at like a gray, and we're gonna leave the secondary like a gray too. The background color, I really don't see what that does. So I'm just gonna make any color and I'll see what it looks like in the app, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and update. Oh, no, let's go back, sorry. We're not gonna update. Let me go back, too fast here. All right, privacy policy URL, okay? Now it says keep empty if you want to use the default privacy policy URL or paste your own. Now I have a privacy policy generator that I use, but with AppyGEN, which what I love about it, you don't have to do that because they have one made for you. And it says your default privacy policy URL. So let's go ahead and copy that and let's see what it looks like. See, they already make one for you. While most other platforms, you know, you have to make your own, okay? But AppyGEN takes care of that for you. So, you know, that's not less stress. But anyway, let's load it up. Okay, and this is our privacy policy for Neon Wolf keyboard theme. So when you get a chance, you can take a look at that if you want. But this is all you need for your privacy policy. So what I'm going to do is paste that right there. Or you can leave it blank. It's up to you. Actually, I would paste it there though, just to make sure it shows up. Okay, so let's go ahead and update our app now. Okay, and we're going to go ahead and update our APK file. And what we're going to do is, let's see, yeah, once we, you have only one export before you reach it there. Okay, this will be the last one. Okay, so anyway, what we're going to do is, while that's in the queue, I'm going to tell you about another file transfer service or text messaging service that I use. And we're going to use it in this video to transfer our APK file onto our phone. And it's called Pushbullet. Now, I'm going to leave the description. I'm going to leave the links in the description, but you have to download this on your Chrome browser and on your Android phone. Okay. Now, I have it already enabled on my Chrome browser, and you can go to the, well, you'll see in the description, go to the Chrome store. You can download it to Chrome. And what we're going to do is add our APK file to Pushbullet, and Pushbullet is going to be on our phone also, and we're going to use Pushbullet to install it to our Android phone. Okay, so let's go ahead and see if it built. Okay, it's still generating. Okay, I just refresh it and our APK is ready. So let's go ahead and download it. Okay. Okay, and there it is. And we're going to put it in our build folder, right? Okay, where all of our builds are. And let's name it, let's see. We're going to call it something different. Test 5, black, red. That's just so I know the colors, what to expect on the app, okay? Because I did, you know, make some changes in the colors, so that's just my way of doing that. So let's save it. Okay, and let's go to Pushbullet. Now watch how easy this is. Or you can transfer it by the cable, USB cable method, of course, but this is much faster. So we've got our, okay, let me open it up in the folder, show it in the folder. Okay, it's right there, and Pushbullet, put that back up there. And test 5. So what we do is click and drag onto the next message, right at the bottom there, and there it is. Okay, or you probably could send in an attachment. That may work too. But anyway, because actually it is an attachment. Okay, try test 5, black, red. Yep, that's it. Now, in the next part of the video, I'm going to go to my mobile phone and I'm going to install the APK file from Pushbullet onto my phone. And I'll see you in the next part of the video. Mobile App Mogul here. And now I'm on my phone. So we're going to go ahead and make our screenshot. So what I'm going to go ahead and do first is download the app, and I'm going to go to Pushbullet, and Pushbullet is right there. Okay, and there's the app right there, test 5 black red. So let's go ahead and click that, and it's going to download it. And then on to the left of that, when you see the little share thing there, that means it's already downloaded. So I'm going to tap it again, and then it's going to ask me to install it. And we've done this part before, so I'm going to go ahead and install it and open it. And I like that. Let's take a screenshot of that. Okay. Now we want to take screenshots of everything as far as the process of setting our app up and everything. Just take, 5, well, ideally, you want to take between 5 to 10 screenshots. Okay. So anyway, we want to take screenshots of the ads. Okay. So there it is. Okay. That's how it's going to look. So let's go ahead and take a screenshot of that. Okay. Let's go to activate keyboard. Okay. Let's take a screenshot of that. We may need it. Matter of fact, let's take another screenshot where it's enabled. Okay. And actually, we can take screenshots of this too. Okay. Try to take screenshots of the whole install process. Take another screenshot. Okay. And let's go back. You can take a screenshot of that because you see the black is tick, activate keyboard, or the lines aren't around it. Okay. You know what, I do believe that the boxes, the rectangles, I believe that's a secondary color. Could it possibly be? I don't know. But anyway, let's go select keyboard. Now let's get a screenshot. Okay. Actually, well, let's get a screenshot. Okay, yeah, we got one. Okay. All right. Let's go select theme. Okay, block that ad out. Let's get a screenshot of all of our themes. Okay. So let's get that one. Take a screenshot. Okay. And we only have 5, so. All right, but get a screenshot of all your themes, okay? All right. So, we didn't select the theme, did we? Okay. Let's go ahead and select the theme. Let's go ahead and select that one. Okay. Okay. And that's the gray letter. Where the OK is, that's the gray letters. Okay. So I know what that does. Okay. And, well, did it select it? Yeah, I guess it did. Okay. All right. Oops. Okay, now let's go select languages. And I like how those ads are popping up. And go ahead and take English and make a screenshot. Okay. And yeah, we should be good. So I think we have enough screenshots. Let's get one of that one too. With the rate the app on there. And we can take that and yeah, this is going to, okay. Yeah, we don't have to worry about that because we didn't add any other apps. Okay, so yeah, I think we're good. So we got enough screenshots of that. Now let's go to see how it's going to look when someone goes to search something. The keyboard should pop up. And so we want to get a screenshot of that showing the keyboard at the bottom there, typing something. How about Neon Wolf? Okay. Just something like that, showing something. Okay. Take a screenshot of that. All right. And let's go back to the app again. And you kind of want to take screenshots of, screenshots of all your themes. Let's see. Let's go to that one now. Okay. And we're going to show that theme again as we're typing something. Okay. And so that theme shows up down there. So let's get a screenshot of that one. Okay. Alrighty. And I'm trying to think of any more screenshots that I need to take. That'll probably be it. Okay. And let's see. Yeah, that'll be it. So what we're gonna do next is go ahead and transfer our screenshots back onto our computer, just so we have them, because we're gonna need them to set up our various app stores, Google Play, Amazon, and so forth. So I'm going to transfer them back, and I'll see you in the next video. I'm going to transfer these back actually by probably USB cable. Alrighty, now we're back. Now we're on our computer, and now we're going to transfer our screenshots that we made from our phone back onto our computer and into our file, our screenshot file actually. Okay, so I just connected my my phone. Okay, and make some room here. Okay, and let's see. Let's get to my Neon Wolf. Okay, let's name here. I want y'all to see this transfer. Now you can use Pushbullet for images, but from my experience, Pushbullet doesn't work well with bunches of images. Okay, so anyway, let's go to our phone, and we're going to go to Pictures. Let's go to Pictures. Okay, and there's our screenshots right there. Okay, so let's open those up, and let's go to our screenshot folder. And what I'm just going to do is copy all these, or right click select all. If I can do that. Oh, well, no, better yet, let's just right click. Oops, no. Right click, no. Select all. Left click, drag. And I'm going to drag all these down to my screenshots. The screenshots folder. And there they are, showing up nicely. Okay. All right. So that's the transfer part. Now, I want to show you one thing, just for your future reference when you're making your test app. Let's just go over the color settings again. Now, remember we changed this to red. Okay. And that's going to be red. That's going to show on the top part. Let's see. Well, let's see. I guess I can do it like that. Yeah, but this primary color red, that's going to show at the top right there. The black, which is that black background, that's going to be your dark primary color, like that, right there. Okay. Now these other two, I'm not quite sure of. The background color, I'm not quite sure where that comes into play at. But anyway, let's go to another screenshot. I'm going to show you about the text. Okay, let's go right here. This screenshot. No, it's not going to show that. But I think this one. Okay. So when it says your keyboard theme has changed, you see that gray. Okay. Okay, that's gray right there. So on your when you're configuring your colors, that's the primary text color. Now I could have made that all black. Matter of fact, I may just change it to green. But so far, that's what we did. We we completed all the tasks that we were supposed to do. And so far, so good. And I'm going to see you in the next video.